gold is setting up something interesting, and in today's video we want to do quick focus analysis and have a closer look at what gold has for us. Right, we are going to use trend line, we're going to use SMC, we're going to use ICT, all the blocks, and just to cater for all type of trading strategy in order just for us to get the feel that gold has for us. So real quick, let's dive into the market and get into it. We should be starting from a daily time frame and see what she has for us now. But there was something that I was seeing, guys. When we go to the daily time frame now, over here we see that gold has really consolidated for the past, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5. It's like, but the whole of last week gold was consolidating. But then why? If we need to understand why gold did all this, probably it's just because of this level right here. This level somehow proved to be very key, very golden, right? So yeah, we've seen gold kind of try to respect that level, but I usually say that we need to understand how price usually approaches our key levels, right? What do I mean by key level? Key level are those zones that we've marked, and we anticipate that previously the market went around that level, played around, never broke or even broke, came back, retested. No, those are just key levels, right? At the same time, we can call them order blocks probably, because if you look at this zone, this is where money was. The market, sellers or bears pushed the market down, so gold went back right there, and now probably bears were still around this level. They were still trying to see or even try to get gold all the way down. But for us, we just interpret the market, we decrypt the code, and all we need to do is try to see what price is doing around those level, right? So then on to mark this zone, because that is also an order block zone where money is, and also we have this zone right here, right? So right now all we have based on the daily is this. We've only had we can also call these zones, guys, as a supply zone. This is also a supply zone, and of course this right here is a demand zone. So you see I've incorporated also demand and supply type of trading thing, correct? And also order block, just like I said based on the intro, right? So now the only thing we need to do as we go to the lower time frame, guys, is just analyze the market and try to interpret this. This zone is very crucial, guys, right? Once we understand what price is doing around that zone, we might know whether gold wants to drop or gold wants to continue going all the way up, right? Now onto the H4, this is what we have. So just like I said, based on the daily time frame, we need to understand what price is doing around this level, right? So yeah, let me just remove this real quick and interpret. So real quick, like I say, guys, in my previous video, if you don't get a picture, you can flip your screen and try to see on a different perspective. So this is what I see. So right now this is what we should be doing. Now I'm introducing trend. We can have it based on that first touch, second touch. So probably we might be anticipating a third touch right there, but at the same time price sometimes won't give us a third touch. All we just need to do is understand. So I'll go to the H1 real quick and see what price has for us. Real quick, just a minute. Right there, I don't know why today my internet is lagging, but yeah, this is what we see on the H1, right? So I'll flip the screen back and this is it. Now on Friday I saw that we had a possible continuation right here, and over here let me just mark this level, mark it right there, and try to drag, maybe adjust it, something like that. So yeah, this is what I saw last Friday, that the market kind of gave us a good continuation right here. So we had that, and the market gave us an impulse phase, then came back once again, giving us another correction or continuation right there, or accumulation. So over here I saw, okay, we had an impulse correction, so price kind of was giving us an indication that she was trying to go all the way up. But now all of a sudden she dropped. I believe we had something like news because of this candlestick right there. We had something like news right here, and that is why the market kind of dropped. So right now let's just remove everything and see what price is doing. Let me remove this and see what price might have for us, right? So at the same time we can have a level marked, this one right here, because kind of the market went and respected that zone. and mark this 2 right there. So now we see that kind of gold is cruising around this zone. So it's like the market is just consolidating, just like I did identify on the daily time frame. So this is a consolidation, right? So which zone should I be looking for? First things first, I need to mark this zone also, because that's also a key zone. So I need to see reaction around this zone level right here, a level right here. If we have a buy confirmation, I will be looking for buys, right? But at the same time, if gold continues dropping, no worries. And then if it goes and breaks out of this zone, no worries too, because why? My anticipation is she might be going back to retest this trend line of ours, making it a third touch. First touch there, second touch, and now third touch right here, before maybe looking for amazing buys. But then at the same time, like I say guys, we won't just take buys until we see price reaction around those key levels that I just drew. Let me just remove this. All right, here. So now if gold decides to come, then now play around, no worries, we should be looking for selling opportunity. But then until then, let's just look for reaction around this zone. First zone right here. If I get a buy opportunity, I'll be looking for buys. If it continues dropping, this is the next zone. If I get a buy opportunity, I'll buy. If it continues dropping, I'll be looking for levels or buy levels around this zone. But then also this zone should be crucial, right? If gold gives me an sell opportunity right here, then I should be looking for short-term sales. But then that won't be confirmed sale, because why? Gold will not have broken this zone right here. Until gold breaks out of this level, then now we should be looking for sales. But for now, only buys is all I see, right? So yeah, I have a Telegram channel guys that you guys might consider checking. But then guys, also consider smashing that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because why? I want you guys to be getting these updates each and every day that I do upload. So be the first to get the update, so that you don't watch the analysis late when the market will have already gone, right? Consider smashing that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so that you get this notification anytime or every day that I upload this kind of focus analysis. And also guys, if you have a question, let me know, or just drop it in the comment box and I'll gladly reply to you, right? So until then guys, adios amigos.